Honor has just revealed its Ultra flagship model, even though it doesn't actually include the word Ultra in its name. We're discussing the Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche design. In this case, it represents what we would consider the ultimate expression of the brand's technology. Its design is notably striking and takes inspiration from Porsche. The back cover is crafted from nanoceramic material with ultra-thin glass, which is said to imitate the lines of a Porsche 911. Personally, I'm not very knowledgeable about cars, but if you are, perhaps you could verify that for me. If you think it looks inspired or was just an excuse, in this case, it will be available in moonstone and slate ash gray. It has a thickness of 8.45 millimeters and a weight of 239 grams, so it is neither ultra-thin nor ultra-light. But in this case, we're talking about a high-end device, so I like that they're not obsessing about making it very thin and very light. It also arrives protected with high-strength aluminum frames and triple IP68-69 and IP69 water and dust resistance certification. R69K, indicating it can endure high pressure and high temperature water jets that come from various directions with high power. In short, it has a practically total resistance. In the photographic section, it is also a beast. The 50 megapixel main sensor features an f1.6 aperture and optical stabilization using a rather large 1/1 3-inch sensor. Does this camera arrive accompanied by 50 megapixel ultra wide angle with f2.2% aperture covering 122 degrees and allows macro photography at just 2.5 centimeters away, so it comes versatile. The standout feature of this device is undoubtedly its periscope camera, boasting 200 megapixels with an f2.6 aperture and a relatively large over 1.4-inch sensor. Additionally, the lens provides 3.7x optical zoom, which isn't very far. However, the key point is that it will also come with a professional kit sold separately, including a special case, a grip with physical controls, and the 2.35x optical teleconverter lens. When you place this lens over the periscope, it changes the focal length to achieve 200 millimeters of true optical zoom. This means you get around 8 and so many times optical zoom. Additionally, it allows you to reach a maximum digital zoom of 5,400 millimeters, which is approximately 225 times magnification. This zoom feature is going to be incredibly appealing, replicating the strategy we observe in Oppo and Vivo, which is also provided by these kits. This flagship device is powerful, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 reaching 4.6 GHz for long-lasting performance. It has a strong 7,200 mAh battery, with support for 120 watts of wired charging and 80 watts of wireless charging. Keep in mind that this device was introduced in China, so if it gets a global release, you should pay attention since many Chinese manufacturers often reduce the battery capacity in their global versions. However, these RSR Porsche design versions generally do not leave China, but I'm mentioning this for your awareness. Regarding the versions, they will come with 16 GB or even up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, along with storage options of either 512 GB or a full terabyte of UFS 4.0. The cost for the most basic setup in China is 7,999 yuan, which at the current exchange rate is approximately $1,150. However, keep in mind that the prices here differ from those over there. But as I mentioned, it is quite probable that this device will be available only in China. Tell me in the comments if you want Samsung and Apple to release external lenses to enhance zoom, or if you prefer they keep focusing on improving the cameras within the most compact internal components possible.